Hi, I'm Gerald, physiotherapist at Highland Rehab, and today I'd like to talk about why it is important to do exercises and conditioning for your core and your lower back, especially after lower back surgery, as well as some simple exercises that you can do. Studies have actually shown that after lower back surgery, the lower back muscles as well as the core muscles are actually affected and decrease in function as well as size, namely the multifidus and the transverse abdominis. Here are some simple exercises that you can do at home, and these are all very safe post-operation. The first exercise is a pelvic tilt. So what you're looking to do is to try and point your tailbone upwards this way, so like this. As you're doing this exercise, you should feel your core muscles activate, as well as some of your glute muscles. The next exercise is a glute bridge, done like this. And down. So do this exercise slowly and feel the contraction of your hamstrings, glutes, as well as your lower back muscles. The next exercise is a side plank on our elbow. It's typically done as such, like this. If this is too difficult, you can also adjust it by bending your knees and lifting up in this position as well. Do the one that is the most comfortable for you. The last exercise is called the bird dog. Like that. Raise the opposite hand and leg in this position. So if this is too difficult, you can also just only lift up your legs first, as such. Make sure that your core is engaged throughout the whole movement.